the audience is standing here. So, anyways, this is the first slide. We are going to present our, it's a business idea which we want to establish. We have done a lot of research as in thinking the pros and cons of it. Just to introduce our members first, Srijit, Janet and Rachel. It's called Eagle's Click and Plan. We selected the name Eagles because eagle is one bird who does not want a herd to follow it. It will come out to pick his prey on his own. And we are going to be one of the first in the market for this. So, this is the gist of what the business is about. It's called Click and Plan. We are into online event management. What you need to do is we'll have an official website. The customers can go to the website, select, suppose there is an event, wedding event, they can select their ambience, their venue, what brands they want. We have websites for all of them. They can give us their budget. We plan a package for them and we send it to them. If they agree and give us a sign off, we carry on and we manage all. This is a complete online business. We will have an office, but then we do not have any kind of franchisees or front office anywhere. However, it will be a complete worldwide business. As it says, just click, select, and click on the desired location. For example, it's New York. In New York, I want an award function, I want a projector, I want a seating capacity of 500 people, and I want the food to be from one of the famous restaurants. All this, we have an option for you to select. Just click on it and give us your budget. Market has a lot to offer. Most of the services are automated. These days, shopping and we even buy our groceries online. So I think, who will have a time to just come out and organize for an event? How good it will be if we could organize your event. If Srijit could manage all your seating, yeah, why not? Costumes as well. What do you want to eat? Just let us know. We will have it there ready for you. What if you have 50 guests coming and 75 come? All your just decide, headache is ours. We'll do what we want. The business where the consumer gets to choose what they want. At the same time, we get to tailor. I think the concept of focusing on the convenience and customizing, which is differentiation from the textbook, that is where it's used. That is the main area where we concentrate when we start this business. This is the Porter's 5 forces model. We have just applied that to our business. We'll start with the suppliers. The supplier power, which is the bargaining power of the supplier. For this business, it is very low or say limited because as per our research, we have few companies who do online event management. But they have limited facilities or they are not worldwide. Like they will concentrate only on a specific location, mostly on regions that have people or population from the richer class. The per capita income is very high. What we have is, for regions with low capital, we have packages which are already decided. And for others, we give them an option to select. Then we have buyer's power, which is relatively high. And there is, as I said, the opposite, because we don't have a lot of competition. Threat of new entrants, again, is very low. Could be that people are inspired from our business and come, but then we'll be the first mover to the markets. And threat of a substitute is again very low, as in such institutes which have online event management sites. They could be a probable or a potential threat in future, but not otherwise. Any questions? Okay. For the supply chain management, our business will be having a very complex supply chain. Why? Because for us, we will not have any assets. We will just manage. So we will have a lot of suppliers for transportation, photography, health and beauty, for events like wedding, then miscellaneous like banners, marketing, invitations, software for people who want CDs to be made. Such these days, everyone they want a CD on everything. So then we have caterers, florists, and decoration. We have electronic equipment. Technology has made us, as in, there's nothing without technology now. So venue providers, such, and I think there would be many more like cutleries, like small things which we will have to manage. System development. Okay. This process, this business, as I said, will be a complete online business. But then there would be few things to be decided. Like first thing will be outsourcing. An online event management does not need to have a technical team in their organization. Why? Because we will not have a lot of technical projects to be confronted in near future. We can have a technical team for minor issues. So what we have decided to do is outsourcing this business to a good agency who can do the complete designing and development and implementation and all the complete process of developing a system. And the preferred method will be agile methodology. Why? Because we know what we want, and doing one step at a time will have a very long process of developing a system. A complex system like this, it is very difficult to go back. And for a starting, it will be very difficult for us to once develop and then go make the changes, because it will be very price consuming and time consuming. And the preferred network structure would be distributed. As I said, we will be worldwide. So we will be having we'll be having one headquarter and network at different places. So the complete load on one area or one server will not be a wise decision. So these are the technical details about it. And the next part will be taken over by Janet.